Hi there and welcome. As the title says, we are going to be making cornbread in the air fryer. Now I will be using the Jiffy Corn Muffin mix. I'm going to spruce it up with some bacon, cheddar cheese, and a little bit of jalapeno. The air fryer that I will be using today is the Cookin 5.8 quart. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. I have a box of Jiffy Corn Muffin mix. I'm going to start off by following the directions off the back, which is 1 egg and 1/3 cup of milk. And our milk. Now I'll mix this all up. Now that I have this all mixed up, we're going to add our bacon. I have 4 slices chopped up here. And I have about 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese and 1/2 of a medium-sized jalapeno pepper. I did take the seeds out and the membrane. Now I'll get this all mixed up. I'm going to use the cake pan that came with my air fryer. You can use silicone muffin liners if you want, or any oven-safe dish that will fit into your air fryer. We need to grease this so our cornbread will not stick to the pan. You can spray it with any type of cooking spray, or you can do what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the grease from the bacon I made earlier. That'll give it a little bit of extra goodness. Get our corn muffin mix in here. And then we will get this popped into the air fryer. All right, we are ready to pop this into the air fryer. I have the air fryer set to 380 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to start it off for 15 minutes. All right, our 15 minutes is up. Let's check this out. It's looking good. I'm going to insert a toothpick. If it comes out clean, this is finished. Now this is a little bit more golden brown because we have the cheese in there. All right, this looks good. Let's give this a try. Oh, with the sweetness of the cornbread, along with the bacon and jalapenos and cheese. Delicious. If you're looking for more air fryer recipes, here's a few more I think you would enjoy watching next. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.